When you initially contact our firm, this isn't the call where you're going to be telling us about the most intimate details about your life. That is not what we expect from people. We just need to know things on a high level. The who, what, where, when, how, and why. Those are the real questions that we need to know. And then we need to know, how are you affected by this? I know that's obvious, okay, but we need to have some indication as to how you've been affected by it. We need to know that whether it was sexual or physical abuse. We need to know the perpetrator. We need to know when it happened. But we don't need to get into all the details. Okay, we keep it high level. But we do need to know what the nature of the claim is. So once we've determined what the nature of the claim is, then it goes to the next level, which is we will offer to assist you. If a lawyer like myself determines that we can assist you, we then enter into what is called a contingency fee agreement, which means that you don't pay us anything unless we win your case. And then after that point, you'll be scheduled to call with the lawyer who's handling your case. Could be me, likely will be me, but the demand for our services is significant and I can't handle every case, which is why we have other amazing lawyers that work directly with me and for me. And we then have an introductory call where we talk about your case. That call is generally about an hour, could be up to 2 hours long, because now we really need to start understanding what's happened in your life. Because the process is not just, oh, you hire a lawyer and they sue. That's not it at all. We have to then go back over your entire life and get all the records relating to your life. And that is significant. It could be, your academic file, all your clinical notes and records, from all your treating health practitioners, your employment files, your income tax returns, if you're on disability, if you're on workers' comp, there's all kinds of records that we need to obtain, your criminal file, your youth justice file, you name it. Getting all the materials takes time. Takes generally between 3 to 6 months just to get all the records, if that even occurs in that timeline. Some entities relating to our government takes even longer to produce records. The perpetrator may long be deceased. A lot of people think, well, does that mean I don't have a case? No, it doesn't mean that at all. We can still help you. We then look into the perpetrator. We see whether or not that perpetrator has been charged previously, whether there were other people that have come forward to accuse this person. And then once we've completed what's called documentary discovery, or our documentary investigation, we then formulate the lawsuit. And once we've formulated it, we then draft and issue the claim, and then the formal litigation commences. So once you've issued and served the claim, then the institutions will defend the claim. They then go out and hire their lawyers to fight us on the aspects of your claim.